Just completing the stump grinding with this new whiz-bang SC1052 Vermeer stump grinder. My name's Mike. I'm a crew lead for Seattle Tree Care. I've never used a Vermeer stump grinder before, no. And wow, I'm impressed. I was most impressed with how big of a bite you could take with this. You know, somewhere, I mean, 3.5 inches deep into a Douglas fir. We've been getting a lot of jobs where this absolutely would be the star of the show. You know, my impression is informed by my experience with the chippers. I already had the impression that when we set this up, it was going to go to work, and it really exceeded my expectations.